What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the Firefly Micro Action Cam, and I got the XJB 145, and y'all know what we out here to do. So let's fire this thing up. Let's take off with it. Flying this thing line of sight. So don't expect any smooth footage. Fly over here and there, the vegetation. Got some telephone wires over there. Oh yeah, let's see what it looks like if it's staring at the sun. See if we get that little black dot that we get sometimes with the cheaper cams. Try to do some line of sight, proximity flying. Bring it back over here. Got some traffic coming over there. Try to do some low flying. Okay, let's bring it in. Make sure we got the recording. Let's press stop. Not sure how you stop the recording. I pressed it one time and that seems to have stopped the blinking, so I'm guessing it stopped recording. So that's a quick demo of this Firefly Micro Action Cam with the XJB 145 from HGLRC. A perfect fit on top of this thing. So you guys should have seen the footage by now, and you can judge for yourself about the quality, if it's worth it or not. And I haven't seen it yet myself, so I can't really comment on it. Thanks for watching.